All right, so you have that notification about your headlight being out. Let me show you how to change that real quick. So come down to this little latch right here. This is the hood release. And this is on a Audi A4 all-road, but this works for pretty much all Audis. Actually, it might work for all of them, honestly. The 2010s, like 2015, 2018, most of the Audis will have the same process, but you're gonna come down here. We're actually going to disconnect the headlight first. Is this cable right here. And whichever side it's on, it's gonna be the same situation. So that's the cable right there. It's got a flathead. All I'm gonna do is take the flathead, you're gonna push down on the little tab right there. When you push down, you're gonna use your other hand and slide the cable out. And you don't have to unplug the headlight, but it is good practice. On this far left side of the headlight right here, there's a huge little crevice here. There's a tab. Just simply pull on that, and it opens up the chamber to where the headlight bulb is. So we can put this to the side. And some Audis will have a twist cap, which you open just like this. Just twist it to left or right, and it's the same procedure. Now, once you see the actual headlight bulb, it's this little square thing right here. These are DS3 bulbs. You want to twist it to the left, just like that, and it should slide on out. And just gently finesse it out. Once you have the bulb out, there is a small clip at the bottom. All you gotta do is just push it off, just like that, and then replace the bulb. And again, these are DS3 bulbs. All you gotta do is just reconnect it, slide it back in, twist, and then put the cap back on, plug your light back in, and you should be good to go. And I'll link a set of bulbs below in the description as well. These are about 40, 50 bucks. For aftermarket, I think they're like 100 bucks for the OEM ones, but they all work just fine. Here you go, slide the new bulb in, and then lock it into place. Just twist it back, just like that. And put your cap back on. Keeps all the water and debris out of there. Simply plug this back in. Snap, and it should be good. And as you see, we have the headlights on, and we no longer have the headlight warning. So that's how you change that.